This summer, I completed an internship at Speedway Indoor Karting, also known as SIK, and this was my third summer with them as an intern. It's literally just a few minutes right down the road from Indianapolis Motor Speedway, which is where the Indy 500 takes place. One of my favorite things about the internship was that the director of engagement allowed me to focus more on the things that I wanted to look into. So as the summers began going by, I realized that marketing was kind of where I wanted to end up, customer service, communications, that type of stuff, which is why I ended up deciding we narrowed down my position to becoming the marketing intern. And so a lot of my day-to-day now, my main focus is social media. So I run SIK's LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I deal with customer service through that. I also make all of the social media posts. I create the content calendar for the entire year. And then I also work from home for them during the school year. So I work from Manchester. This internship allowed me to build my resume, experience things that other students may not get to experience. I feel like it'll put me in a better position to be more qualified for jobs after I graduate. Even on top of that, I've already received my first job offer from them. So my internship already gave me an opportunity outside of college, which is better than what most people can say as they're heading into the workforce. The past 2 years, I've actually never been karting inside of SIK. I've always been on the office side of things. So this summer was my first time that I actually got to go karting at SIK. And it was just a fun experience to be with my coworkers in a little more competitive setting and just be able to have fun and be around with them in our actual facility and getting to experience that. I think the fact that Manchester University is kind of gearing themselves toward more experiential learning for students is just going to put us one step ahead of everyone, because we're able to use these real world experiences and apply them to jobs, and all of our resumes are going to be more extensive than others, and we've had the opportunity to be there and we've had the opportunity to learn and grow as individuals and professionals.